Do you want to restart your BeReal app? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restart your BeReal app. Locate your BeReal app, tap on it, go to its settings and go to Force Stop. Let me show it to you again. Locate your BeReal app, go to its settings and click on Force Stop. Press OK. Scroll a bit down, go to storage, clear its cache memory and click Clear Data. Press Delete and then your app has been restarted. Go ahead and open the BeReal app and go to the login process. Tap your number over here, click on Send Verification Text. An OTP code will shortly arrive in your phone. After the OTP code has been arrived, copy the code and paste it in this section over here. Press Continue and you will be logged into your BeReal account soon. And there you go, you have successfully restarted your BeReal app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.